Age before beauty. I'm beauty.
Yes.
I told you.
The tube. That's what's warming you up.
All right, we're going in. We're going in.
It's on there.
Let's do it. All right, it's a little cold here. We're in Notting Hill, freezing our balls off. Hey, there's a travel book shop right there. And it looks like our bar went out of business. No, it's right there. Yeah, it's the bookshop. That's where Hugh Grant was in the movie Notting Hill.
It's that lady would make.
No, I don't remember. This is where the biscuits came from Ted Lasso.
Don't you remember the biscuits?